Over the next few minutes, I would like to share with you some of the amazing benefits of the Xtended RV program. Your RV is so much more than just a way to get from A to B. So rather than modifying a warranty plan designed for your grocery getter, the Xtended RV program was designed from the ground up to address the unique requirements of the RV world. Our program boasts the only exclusionary coverage available, which means that if your repair is not on the minimal list of excluded parts, you are covered. No more guessing games. All throughout Canada and the United States, we offer full coverage with no hidden charges. From Inuvik to Miami and everywhere in between, all covered diagnosis, parts and labor included. Simple and easy. Repair costs are paid directly to the repair facility, saving you out-of-pocket expenses and the inconvenience of waiting for reimbursement. Our comprehensive coverage and worry-free claims process helps your vacation stay a vacation. All plans include limited coverage for rental transportation, on-site service calls, emergency roadside assistance, towing, flat tire and lockout assistance. Food spoilage coverage is also included, as well as hotel and meal expenses if you are far from home. Considering an older RV and concerned about coverage, you can breathe easy because RVs up to 19 years old are eligible for Xtended RV. You truly are only as old as you feel. Something a little shinier catching your eye? Your Xtended RV coverage is transferable to a new owner should you decide to upgrade. With added protection built in, you are increasing the value of your RV and the likelihood of a quick sale. Protect your family. Protect your investment. Travel with confidence. Travel with Xtended RV.